What if your RC car could bounce, dance, and cruise like a real street lowrider? Meet the RC Lowrider, a next-level custom machine built for style, attitude, and smooth street vibes. With detailed bodywork, working suspension movement, and realistic lowrider hopping action, this mini cruiser brings classic car culture to life in an insane way. Its slick design, glowing lights, and precision controls make every move look cinematic and satisfying. Whether it's slow cruising, sharp turns, or hydraulic-style bouncing, this RC Lowrider steals attention everywhere it goes. Stylish, smooth, and packed with personality, this is the ultimate RC ride for true car lovers. What if your RC car could conquer mud, rocks, and rough terrain like a real off-road monster? Meet the RC Off-Roading Car, a powerful all-terrain machine built for extreme adventure and non-stop action. Equipped with massive tires, high suspension travel, and a high-speed motor, this beast climbs obstacles, drifts through dirt, and handles rough terrain with unbelievable control. Its aggressive design and durable build make every jump, turn, and crash look absolutely epic. Whether you're racing across trails, rocky paths, or muddy tracks, this RC machine delivers pure adrenaline from start to finish. Tough, fast, and built for adventure, this is off-roading on a whole new level. What if a miniature boat could dominate the water like a high-speed racing machine? Meet the Fast RC Boat, a powerful remote-control speed beast built for extreme water action. Designed with high-performance motors and a sleek aerodynamic body, this RC boat cuts through waves with unbelievable speed and precision. Its sharp turns, rapid acceleration, and smooth handling make every race feel intense and cinematic. Whether you're testing top speed on a lake or competing with friends, this machine delivers non-stop adrenaline on the water. Fast, aggressive, and incredibly fun to control, this is the kind of RC boat that takes water racing to the next level. What if a miniature tank could move and attack like a real battlefield machine? Meet the next-level RC Tank, a powerful remote-control beast built for intense action and realistic combat fun. With heavy-duty tracks, aggressive design, and smooth all-terrain movement, this machine crushes obstacles with ease while delivering incredible control and performance. Its rotating turret, realistic sound effects, and fast response make every battle feel cinematic and exciting. Whether you're driving through dirt, grass, or rocky terrain, this RC tank brings non-stop adrenaline and military-style action to every mission. Tough, powerful, and insanely fun to control, this is not your average RC toy. What if you could control a military helicopter right from your hands? Meet the RC Blackhawk Helicopter, a realistic flying machine inspired by one of the most iconic helicopters ever built. With powerful rotor control, smooth stabilization, and detailed military styling, this RC helicopter delivers an intense and cinematic flying experience. Its precise movement, fast response, and stable hovering make every flight feel incredibly realistic and professional. Whether you're flying through open fields or pulling off sharp aerial maneuvers, this machine brings non-stop adrenaline to the sky. Powerful, tactical, and unbelievably smooth. This is RC aviation on a whole new level. What if a tiny drone could capture cinematic shots like a professional flying camera? Meet the DJI Mini 5 Pro, a next-generation compact drone built for creators who want power, portability, and stunning aerial footage. With advanced stabilization, intelligent tracking, and ultra-smooth 4K cinematic recording, this drone delivers professional-quality shots from the sky with incredible ease. Its lightweight design, long flight time, and obstacle sensing technology make every flight safer, smoother, and more exciting. Whether you're filming landscapes, action scenes, or travel content, the DJI Mini 5 Pro turns ordinary moments into cinematic masterpieces. Smart, powerful, and unbelievably compact, this is the future of aerial filming. What if your drone could fly like a military machine straight out of a sci-fi movie? Meet the next-level RC drone, built for speed, precision, and insane aerial action. With ultra-stable flight control, powerful motors, and lightning-fast movement, this drone captures smooth, cinematic shots while performing aggressive, high-speed maneuvers in the air. Its futuristic design and responsive controls make every flight feel professional and incredibly satisfying. Whether you're racing through obstacles, pulling off sharp aerial turns, or filming epic content from above, this flying machine delivers pure adrenaline every second. Fast, powerful, and unbelievably smooth. This is RC flying on a completely different level.